In this video, we will delve into the transformative power of personalized affirmations and their ability to profoundly impact our lives. We will discuss how personalized affirmations can help reframe our mindset, boost confidence, and foster a positive outlook. By understanding the science behind affirmations, we can harness their potential for personal growth and fulfillment. Through practical examples and expert guidance, viewers will gain insights into crafting tailored affirmations that resonate with their goals and aspirations, ultimately empowering them to manifest positive change in their lives. In this segment, we will explore the fundamentals of affirmations, shedding light on their function in rewiring our subconscious thoughts towards success and positivity. By understanding the psychological mechanisms behind affirmations, viewers can grasp how these empowering statements have the potential to reshape our beliefs and perspectives. We will highlight the role of affirmations in fostering resilience, self-belief, and a proactive mindset. With a focus on the profound impact of positive affirmations on mental well-being, this discussion will inspire viewers to leverage the transformative influence of affirmations in their personal development journey. In this segment, we will delve into the crucial process of identifying one's specific goals and desires to craft affirmations that are closely aligned with individual aspirations. By guiding viewers through the exploration of their ambitions and passions, this discussion aims to facilitate the creation of affirmations that resonate deeply with personal objectives. Viewers will gain insights into the significance of clarity and specificity in goal setting, empowering them to articulate meaningful affirmations that reinforce a sense of purpose and direction. The emphasis on targeted affirmations tailored to individual desires will equip viewers with the tools to manifest their aspirations effectively. This segment offers a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to creating personalized affirmations tailored to individual needs and aspirations. Viewers will receive practical insights into the process of formulating affirmations that are specific, empowering, and aligned with personal growth objectives. From identifying empowering language to crafting affirmations that evoke strong emotions, this guide aims to equip viewers with the skills to develop authentic and impactful affirmations. By emphasizing the importance of resonance and belief in the affirmation process, this segment aims to empower viewers to harness the full potential of personalized affirmations in fostering positive transformation in their lives. This segment focuses on providing viewers with practical strategies to seamlessly integrate personalized affirmations into their daily routines, thereby optimizing the impact and effectiveness of these empowering statements. Viewers will gain insights into various approaches for incorporating affirmations, such as using visualization techniques, creating affirmation rituals, and leveraging technology for reinforcement. By highlighting the significance of consistency and belief in the affirmation practice, this narration aims to empower viewers to cultivate a daily habit of affirmations, thereby catalyzing positive change and personal growth in their lives.